Alright, so we have discussed how the traditional school system might not be the best system for personal growth, creativity, and preparing us for the real world. But now, we need to talk about something crucial. What can you do about it? How can you actually live a happy life, succeed, and make the most of your time here? Today, I'm giving you practical solutions that will set you on the right path. So grab a notebook or take some mental notes because this is very important. First things first. Stop waiting for the system to teach you what you need to know. School often doesn't teach you the things that will actually help you in life, whether it's finance, personal development, or specific skill you want to learn. You have access to incredible resources online. You can learn anything through platforms like YouTube, Udemy, and even podcasts. You don't need a degree to learn how to build a business, code a website, or even invest in stocks. Start developing the habit of self-education. It's free, it's efficient, and it is in your own hands. Start developing the habit of self-education. It's free, it's efficient, and it's in your hands. Next up, practical life skills. Schools don't teach you how to cook, manage money, handle taxes, or even communicate effectively in the real world. So, it's up to you to pick up these skills on your own. Start small. Learn how to budget, understand credit, learn basic cooking, or practice effective communication. Get your hands-on experience. Volunteer, take internships, or find part-time jobs that give you real-world exposure. These are the skills that will make you stand out, not your GPA. Now let's talk about something really important. Finding your passion and purpose. School has this one-size-fits-all approach that all forces everyone into the same box. But life is not like that. You have your own interest, your own calling, and you need to figure out that. So take time to explore. Try different hobbies, volunteer for different causes, or experiment with side projects. Get to know what excites you. It's important to recognize that your purpose in life might not be directly tied to the traditional school system. And it might not even come from what you thought you'll be doing when you were younger. Mental and emotional health. It's just as important, if not more, than your academic performance. The school system doesn't prepare you for stress, pressure, or setbacks. And the reality is, we all face challenges in life. The key is to take care of your mental health. So start practicing things like mindfulness, meditation, journaling, or just simple self-reflection. Surround yourself with people who support you and cut out toxic environments. Learn to recognize and handle stress, and most importantly, do not be afraid to ask for help when needed. Mental well-being is the foundation of everything. One of the biggest things the school doesn't teach you is how to network and build meaningful relationships. But in the real world, connections are often more valuable than what you know. Networking doesn't mean going to fancy events. It's about building genuine relationships with people who inspire you. Start by surrounding yourself with like-minded people. Look for people who are passionate, hardworking, and driven. Cooperate, learn from them, and support each other. Whether it's through online communities, local events, or social media, building a strong network is a game changer. Another important solution for students is developing an entrepreneurial mindset. You don't need a business degree to start your own venture. In fact, some of the most successful people do not follow the traditional path. Start thinking like an entrepreneur. Start a side hustle, whether it's an online store, freelance, writing, graphic design, or even creating content on social media. The world is full of opportunities if you're willing to take risks. Put in the work. Entrepreneurship isn't about building a company. It's about being proactive, creative, and adaptable. Finally, the key to living a happy life is understanding that personal growth is a lifelong journey. Don't expect everything to fall into place at all once. You will encounter failures, setbacks, and challenges, but that's part of the process. Stay curious, stay adaptable, and not be afraid to take risks. Your path won't look like anyone else, and that's okay. Embrace the journey. You will learn, grow, and evolve in ways you never imagined. Alright, so let's recap. If you want to live a happy life and succeed in the real world, take control of your education, develop practical skills, find your passion, prioritize mental well-being, build a strong network, think entrepreneurially, and always focus on personal growth. The school system may not have set you up for this, but you can still make it happen. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment telling me what you're going to do to start living a more fulfilling life. Remember, success isn't defined by school, it's defined by you. Stay focused and take control of your future.